Person. Next person. There you go, friend. Come.
Wow. Woo!
Mosquitoes pollinate the flowers.
What?
Mosquitoes.
Wow. So 6 hours of delays. We are heading to Grenada. The plane is here. I'm stressed. I'm tired. I'm over it. It's like everybody's just like done. Everybody's done. This is Ebony. She's also coming. She's from New York. We've been trauma bonded after everything today. Right? Oh God. Okay, I'm in Grenada. Finally, after the longest delays, a 6 hour delay, 6 hour delay. I can't put on the bed yet. 6 hour delay for a 50-minute flight. We are at the hotel. Seafood pasta. Bugs are loud here. Seafood pasta. I also got myself a creme brulee. Grenada, good morning. Nice. That's the university because they said it's like the biggest thing on the island. Based on the pictures, it looks like that. Okay. Is anyone in Grenada? This is missing. And this is Simone. Got to see what this beautiful island is about. Oh wow. Oh, this is so nice. Oh. Okay. I get it. Beautiful. Look at all the sailboats. Oh my God. Wow, I can't wait. No side hot. That way is still enough. Still hot. This is a university club. Very cute. My room is up there. Morning. Wow. Okay, it's not like the greatest beach, but I have a little vibes. Like I could have relaxed down here. It's nice to see the sailboats out to go. Sitting under the almond tree, taking a little book. Oh yeah. Yesterday I was in Barbados, today I'm in Grenada. It's kind of cool. So blessed, so grateful to be able to travel like this. It's nice here. It seems calm. I didn't realize that. You know, like it's kind of like Antigua with the sailboats. I don't think Jamaica really have a sailboat culture like that. Anyway, it's nice to be outside in the fresh air because the AC in the room cannot turn off. You know, me and the AC struggle bus. It's giving me big Ochi vibes. Like this reminds me so much of sea palms. If you know, you know. Like it's giving sea palms. Good option. So this was Street Food Wednesdays. So basically, they have this every Wednesday where vendors come into the restaurant / hotel and you purchase tickets, chits, in order to redeem them for food at the various vendors. Each chit was like about 5 EC, which is like $2 something US, I think. I don't remember how it go. But it was pretty affordable and it was a nice variety of things. You had chicken, lambi, which is what they call conch, fish, shrimp, all kind of something. But it was actually really nice. It was a nice way to get a taste of the culture and the various ways they cook different things. This is a view from the Airbnb. Jesus. Wow. Today is tour day. Okay, so today is our Grenada tour. I'm so excited because I have not been to Grenada before and this was one of the things that I really want to experience. Getting to see the island, see the country, taking the views, experience the culture. I really was excited about this. It's coming off. Okay, we are at SUNHUNTERS. Hi.
So you all slept last night? That was in the Queen show?
No, we were definitely in bed. Hello. SUNHUNTERS, Grenada.
Alright, I just give a brief orientation.
Sure.
You'll be driven.
So we decided to go with this company called SUNHUNTERS Adventure and we did the free to roam tour. Free to roam, free to wander. We pretty much roam the island in some jeeps. Can either be driven or we could drive. I'm glad we did not drive though because the hills are very steep. And you can pretty much choose what you want to experience. It can be the rum tour, the chocolate factory, it can be the rainforest, beach, anything pretty much. They also suggest some items that are must-see, some places that you must visit. They suggested the rainforest and that was probably the best part of the entire tour. So it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. I think everybody enjoyed it. It was just really one of those experiences that really set the trip off right. Just got us really excited about the country.
It's a lovely day.
Yes, it is.
The island, first time to the island?
Yes.
Great. Where you all from?
Jamaica.
Great. Jamaican one blood. Okay. To sample the rum. If you want to drink alcohol,
Yes.
you go to the waterfall.
Yes.
You watch your towers.
Yes.
And then you coming back down to Esther's bar, the Grenada's beach, some drinks and enjoy. Anything else you want to do?
I think they said the chocolates.
Chocolate
factory.
No problem.
Yes.
All right. That's all? Yes. Okay,
I think so.
Great. So you guys will take you there. I'll tell you exactly where you want to go. So you go have fun.
Free to wander tour. Basically free to wander. That's what it says. And we're doing chocolate factory, rum factory. What else we're doing? Beach, monkeys, chocolate house, Esther's bar,
The rum distillery.
rum distillery.
Sample the rum. Yes.
All right, it's gonna be a full day.
What's your number?
It's up to them.
Oh,
Which
okay.
one they
Well,
choose?
pick your poison. That moves it up some.
Oh, we talk on this?
Yeah.
Fun.
Like so? This is carrot over and out.
That's crazy.
So that's crazy.
Kingston, Jamaica. And I'm here for a spice man.
Woo!
Like a one night. Barley from Trinidad and Tobago and also used to live in Grenada. Here for Spice Mass. The job. Looking forward to it.
And the job.
All right. Woo! What do I first? Oh. Simone Michelle on the walkie-talkie. I am from Jamaica and I'm here for Spice Mass. Woo!
Alright,
No.
really bad up here. My name is Kylie Cooper, and I'm also from Jamaica, and I am here for Spice Mass.
Woo!
This is the Can, aka Can Can. I'm from Jamaica, live in Florida, and I'm also here for Spice Mass.
Derek said, oh, this is beautiful there. Wow. Why they change the name?
Change in ownership.
Oh, got it.
Port Louis is named after King Louis VIII, a French king. This is where the French extinct, but volcanoes love to change their status from day to day. Yes. One minute they're married, the next minute they're single. After that, it's complicated.
People are walking.
Yep. That's crazy,
It's
right?
very tight.
So I hope none of you made fun of the people under the tunnel, right?
We're walking through the tunnel.
Because you are not going to be walking under the tunnel.
People are walking.
Yep. That's crazy,
It's
right?
very tight.
Yeah, come on, man.
We are walking through the tunnel. Jesus. Unique? Yeah. A wind tunnel too, huh?
Okay, up.
In the tunnel.
This is the first prison that was ever set up on the island, right?
Oh, guys.
Come to the side. Yeah. Eventually, they would move it to where it is now because they did not want the innocent people next to the
Criminals?
criminals. Yeah, I guess. Watch your step. Get here. That's a French mortar. The French brought this when they were fighting the British to try and stop the British from overrunning them, but it did not work, right? Do you guys know the definition of insanity?
Yes. The same thing over and over again.
And expecting different results, right? The British used this to try and stop the French. And guess what? That didn't work. And the island changed hands between the French and the British for many times.
Jesus. You want cocoa pasta? Oh my god.
Come guys. My name is Dean James and I'm a chocolate expert. I'm a cocoa expert, so I'm not as common as some experts. The experts know about chocolate. Chocolate bars, white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolates. But many experts, they don't live where the fruit grows. Chocolate comes from a fruit we call in Grenada cocoa. Take one, feel them.
We have them in Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica, yes.
Yeah.
Jamaica, Trinidad. So tropical countries, once there is a tropical climate, so countries close to the equator. These tropical countries, all these tropical countries here, are able to grow cocoa. However, if the soil isn't rich, or if there is too much sun or there is too much rain, your country may not have the ability. The seeds in the pods are sweet. I'm going to crack a pod open, okay? I'll crack it open. Let's see what's inside of it, okay?
Okay. Alright. I've never had cocoa like this, guys.
Oh, I had once.
Now,
It's like a
it's these are the cocoa beans. Now the French will call it cacao. Cacao. The Spanish cacao, and the English cocoa, right? Yeah. Now the seeds.
Sweet.
What's that one?
That one is okay, but the one I opened earlier is divine. Contains antioxidants. Inside the seeds
That's right.
is the actual chocolate. And the colors vary. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's brown.
Wow.
No, it should. There's some, no, sometimes. No, let me try one more.
Also, it's within the same pod?
They can have different items.
Oh my gosh. What?
It should be purple. Nami is very purple. Very. First discovery of cocoa is in South America. So it grows this big, and many of the farmers want this type because the pod plenty inside of them, and also it's very resilient against hurricanes and bad weather. Yeah, two different trees, two different type of trees.
So it grow here?
Yes, all three types grow here.
Okay.
Now the pods and the tree. Turn around, look at this mirror. Mosquitoes pollinate the flowers.
What?
Mosquitoes.
No way.
Yes, right?
That's why so many are here?
No chocolate. Seriously.
Damn.
Alright?
I want to eliminate that.
So I might get a tattoo of a mosquito because
I mean,
chocolate and mosquito because we don't mosquito no chocolate.
I did not know that.
You pick them. They all hand-picked.
Oh yes.
Hand-picked, garden, the seeds, the wet seeds, place into a wooden box to ferment. Then dry in the sun on wooden trees. Juice.
Okay.
It will taste like a Jolly Rancher, a mango or banana. It's sweet. Alright? Very, very interesting taste. Many persons have never tasted this seed. Never. Alright? It's exotic. This is exotic, right? Exotic means rare. Alright? So cocoa beans, you soak them, the juice, sweet, nice. Almost like Guinness, yeah? Almost like Guinness. Alright? Very interesting taste. Alright? You don't buy them, just suck on them. When you finish, you're going to spit them out right here. Alright, lovely stuff. It tastes nothing like chocolate, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
So, the Aztecs and Mayans salted them. That's why we began eating them. But eventually, some of them fell on the ground. They fall on the ground, they dry. Now, when they dry, so they look. So, we ferment them and dry them. So, first, they look moist and wet. When you ferment them and dry them, this is how you sell them to America and France. So the Cadbury chocolates, Nestle chocolates, the Swin, the Sis, the Lindt, the Souchard, the Ferrari.
And add milk
Dear
and
Deli.
ruin it.
Sorry?
Add milk and ruin it.
Well, when you add too much milk, because milk is fine, sugar is fine to sweeten it. But when you add too much milk, cream, caramel, preservatives, additives, all these things, no. Now look at this. When you sell them, the factories roast them. And now you can take one, crush them in your hands and smell them. It smells like chocolate.
Oh. You can kind of taste the roasty. Smell the roast
Yeah,
too.
smell the roasty, yeah. No,
Oh, that's
we call
nice.
them coconut. Now, you add them on your oatmeals, add them on your cornflakes, add them in your smoothies, and guess what? You put some honey, you put them in a small jar of honey, you eat them. They will trick you to eating less food, but it lowers high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Things like diabetes, like diabetes, all these ailments, they can be lowered or suppressed. I think raw chocolate is very, very good. Yes, very vital.
Oh, that's really good.
Doctors say raw.
Yeah.
So that's when it's like when you patch nuts, you get like a small fruit bowl, put some patch nuts, put some raisins and cocoa nibs, bomb, fire. Or some honey, some honey and some, you just can eat that, right? So when you grind them, eat them, it's very good, alright? When you grind them, look what happens. Powder, no powder. Powder, yes. It will be powder if the cocoa beans had no cocoa butter in it. Those cocoa nibs you ate, it tastes a bit bitter, right? Yeah. Because there's oil. These oils are good for our brain and our heart. The oil in cocoa is said to help the nerves in the brain. The oil in cocoa is said to help also the heart, cardiovascular health. It's linked to dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Feel, this is pure cocoa.
Oh my gosh.
Like on clay.
It feels so
like clay, like almost like
supple.
like putty. Right? It's soft, right? It smells strong.
Yeah, whoa.
Alright? No, you cannot get this nowhere else but in Grenada.
Wow.
Nowhere else in the world. Cocoa butter for your skin. Yeah. So the oil comes out of this cocoa and you get cocoa butter for your skin, and this stays back without any oil. No longer dark brown, but light in complexion. This is compressed cocoa. It's not a cotton board, it's not a piece of wood. Smell. It's pure cocoa.
I love how everybody's making.
Alright? So you grind into powder, And you know get
smells
Nesquik.
so good. Nesquik?
You get Nesquik. Swiss mix, cocoa powder.
Yeah, lotion.
Pure and rich. Sample the chocolates. Eat more chocolates. Small nutrition.
You're amazing. Thank you so much. Wow.
That's someone else or?
Oh no, that's somebody else. This one is me. Yeah, that's me.
Also 2024 as well. He brought home gold, silver, bronze, and this year he came fifth, unfortunately. Second village that was ever set up right in French.
Oh. It's in there.
Believe it or not, these are two-way roads. What?
These are what?
Two-way roads.
No way. Julian, so you sure it's a road? Wow. Wow.
No, I bet you're glad you're not driving yet.
I literally thought it. I was like, I don't want to be driving.
San Francisco could drive over
Yeah, but San Francisco road them wide. That is a view though.
But all the fright was worth it because you look to the right, you're going to see one of the most beautiful views.
Wow.
The two stadiums sitting side by side.
Oh, wow. You can see Julian?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
As you can see in the athletics, it's minimum residential. Yeah. Our national dish has.
Oh, oil down. Yeah. Wow.
Watch one, take go. Alright, we go one.
Next person. So we'll get it right here.
Can I have the phone so I can take the photo for you?
Interlock.
Come right here.
Sit. Interlock.
Come right here.
Interlock. Yes. So come. Next person, so you go bring right out.
The sun is damaging your photo.
Okay, come. Next person. There you go, friend.
Come to that.
Next person.
Whoa, I don't want to
Front
phone. Come, give me a phone.
Front up.
Thank you, bro. Turn around. Turn right here. Stand up.
Shift. Stay back a little, boss. Step back.
You have
Step
to
back.
smile. That's what I'm asking you to smile.
Come in.
Leave it like this. Work it.
No, not jumping.
When you come here, just to get it.
You guys come first.
Ladies, come in front. Which phone is yours?
Careful when you're coming up, guys.
All you guys.
See, go check that person. Check them. Before they go inside, check them.
So I want to get. Oh, you ready, son?
Right, your turn.
Little baby's coming.
So I want all you guys come together. Flat.
Right. See, go all of them.
Flat.
Last time you shot them.
Yes, beautiful. Come here, miss. Come, closer to them.
Thank you.
Oh. You guys lift your hands high. Together. Go higher.
Oh, you want to?
Oh
You good?
my gosh. Wow. Tarzan? I can kind of see like from Beryl the hurricane disaster and the trees are mashed up and things, but
Already passed. The first at the Port Louis / Camper Nicholson Marina. Remember, that's an extinct volcano. And also the Carnage. That is another extinct volcano, yeah? Combined, those two did about 5%. The other 5 was made by 2 other volcanoes further north, but we're not heading that far, right? This guy did 90. The last time it erupted would have been about 25,000 years ago, giving it enough time to calm down and, you know, making all this green that you see around, yeah?
But people can't eat this.
No.
Okay, that's
The fish here will be illegal.
Yeah.
To dive here, do anything but take pictures and feed the fish is illegal.
Okay, good.
That's really stunning.
Those set of orange roofs to the right, guys. That is the first housing scheme built after Hurricane Ivan. We were there not too long ago.
Oh wow. I thought it was a college. Oh, look at that, man.
Time it sheds its bark, it will actually change color, yeah? So you can see some orange starting to emerge. Yeah.
Chad trying hard with the Jamaican patois because you have Grenadian patois apparently. Hi.
Somebody have to go back, you know?
We are like vertical. No. 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 Grenada's a hill. Grenada's a hillside. Pure Grenada. Oh, this one's cute too, Terry. Finally. The Great Grand Anse Beach. It is blazing sunshine, that's for sure. Hello. Hi. Okay, great. Gorgeous. You guys have on sunblock?
No!
Woo! Nice. Ready? Woo! Woo! How old are you guys? 11? How old are you? 11 too? How old are you? 11? I couldn't do this at 11. You guys are so brave. Do it now? You want to do it? Alright. Okay, go. Woo! That was nice. Bravo. How you learn how to do that? You just try? You just try? You're never afraid? Okay, go. I was afraid. Yeah, a little. Don't stress. Do what you're comfortable doing. Do what you're comfortable doing.
That was my first time on a back foot.
Yeah?
I will try to do a back dive.
So you're trying to do a back dive? Okay. Be careful. Be careful. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was your first time? That was good.
Tuck in.
Woo!
Just tuck in. Do your best. Tuck in.
Still good, still good. Good job, good job. You have to be careful. Alright, ready? Woo! 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 Look at this water. Jesus. No, look how the water clear. Hello. Look how this water is beautiful though. I got a full show. The boys were diving and things.
We were watching you. We were watching your show. They loved it.
They loved it.
They loved it. They
Loved
the
it.
limelight.
So nice.
You told them they're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, tell them for the vlog.
Send them royalties.
It's true. As soon as I get mine, I send them theirs. Sorry that we missed. What happened? I feel like, you know how we did say how Ronaldo no back road? Had no back road.
Yeah.
SUNHUNTERS!
Second shoes button we drop off. Look at mine, I'll put mine on there.
Oh, I'm about to say. I'm about to
The car couldn't make it up the hill.
Life.